Text-to-speech in 3 clicks. Even, that sounds great. Nope, didn't think so. Let's face it, up until now creating text-to-speech audio has been a pain. Just plain disappointing. Sure, you could outsource your voiceovers. And pay several $100 for an average voiceover. Not to mention the time and hassle of going back and forth with a bunch of freelancers. In minutes from now? You're in luck, because there's a brand new tool that's just hit the market called Speechelo, and it's going to make your life infinitely easier when it comes to creating voiceovers from text. Expensive freelancers. Forget robotic DTS tools. Forget disappointing results. Now you can get the ultimate edge over the competition, slash hours off your day, and pump out human-sounding audio for your videos in double quick time. Check the link in the description.